Now, let's carefully discuss how to fix the import error you're encountering in your application. Some materials that are unfortunately damaged as shown. Now, as you can see here, this is the type of error in your CapCut app. What does this error really mean? This means that the app is unable to process one or more files, as you can see, or several files, as you can see. This could be a video, photo, audio, or even that very effect as you see. In your CapCut app, because these files are corrupted or incompatible, as you can see here, where they are incompatible, see? Now, what should we do? First, due to the fact that you deleted and then re-added the file carefully. Well, you can indeed just delete the file and then re-add it carefully, as you can see here. Just add it to CapCut, as you can see here. Sometimes, this issue arises from CapCut itself, as you can see here, causing problems. I have recognized this. And that's all there is to it, really. Make sure to check the file afterward. You need to open it there, as you can see here. Check in a gallery or somewhere else, as you see. Everything is fine with it. If it opens, then it's working well. Everything is fine, but if not, then it's damaged. We need to take action now. You can simply replace it or restore it, as needed. After this step, you can also try moving the files if needed. Now carefully move this file to another folder, for example into Downloads, just like this, for the load as you can see here now. And after taking these steps, you should be just fine as you can see right here. You can certainly try to clear the cache in the app itself, like this. In CapCut, go ahead and enter here, then carefully delete the cache to free up space. Carefully delete it. That's all, folks. You can try this too, and I believe it will work. Thank you all for watching. Good luck, and goodbye.